Edgar Hoover. J. Edgar Hoover, the first director of the Federal Bureau of Investigation, FBI, held his position from 1924 to 1972, becoming a figure of immense power and controversy. Hoover is credited with founding the FBI and turning it into an efficient crime-fighting organization, but he is also criticized for his methods of surveillance and the broad latitude he took in enforcing law and order. His tenure included secretive and often illegal activities, which aimed to surveil, infiltrate, and disrupt political organizations and civil rights movements. Hoover's actions, especially against civil rights leaders like Martin Luther King Jr., have led to significant scrutiny regarding his legacy and highlight the need for a critical evaluation of his influence on American law enforcement and civil liberties in history education.